I just woke up and ngibona ivideo kaNgizwe. Imani ke okay but Ngizwe siyavuma sizohamba kodwa nginombuzo ophuthumayo. Uyakhumbula ngenkathi uhlangana nami eSlow Lounge eThekwini at the F&B Slow Lounge eThekwini earlier on this year? Do you remember what you did? Uthi ngikhumbuze but mhlawumbe usukhohliwe. Ababehlele eSlow Lounge bayongifakazela nabasebenza eSlow Lounge bayongifakazela. Wena ngathi ngihleli at the business desk ngisebenza with my MacBook, ngisebenza, I was finishing a document. You stood up about 5 times to try and get my attention. The first time usukumile wenze ngathi uzothatha newspaper emva kwami ngoba la ngihleli khona kunama newspaper emva kwami ngakubuka. The second time wasukuma wenze ngathi uthatha imagazine. Ulokhu manje ungibuka kodwa ungasho lutho ngakubuka nami ngangasho lutho. Okwesithathu ususukuma wasukuma usuhlangana nami ebar. Mangifike ebar ngizo-order isiphuzo, nawe uyasukuma uzo-order isiphuzo kodwa into yangimangaza ukuthi etafuleni la uhleli khona isiphuzo sakho wawunaso and wawuhleli wedwa futhi. So okwesi-4 ke wasukuma futhi wenza kumina e-business desk wangidlula at the time waphinde wangidlula futhi wase wama wangibuka. I eventually ngakhipha my earphone ngakubuka cause I thought khonto esilo ufuna ukisho, wabingelela wathi sawubona, hayi nami ngavuma ngabingelela ngaphinisela my earphone ngaqhubeka ngasebenza. Okwesi-5 wabona ngoba sengiqoqa ikhwama zami sengifaka ilaptop ekhwameni sengidotsana ne-suitcase wasukuma weza kumina. Your exact words were, how ngiyafisa kube ngilitholile ithuba lokukhuluma nawe. Hayi nami ngihleke ngithi hayi mhlawumbe nangelinye ilanga uthi hayi nangelinye ilanga impela nje uyokhuluma nami. Hayi nami ngihlekele ngisuke ngihambele. Ngangazi ukuthi kwakuyimpawu lezo zokuthi wena uyazonda ngoba nakho thina amagezi kukhona into esikwenza uyifile noma uzama ukupretenda engathi you didn't know you were talking to a man on that day. Ngangafake makeup and ngangashefile futhi netshebo nje ayikhona nje ivelele khona. Yebo ngangikhindile izinqa zibhekushuzela zibhekele. So wena wabona nini ukuthi amagezi are wrong? Wabona ngalolo suku lolo ngenkathi uzama ukuthola attention yami ungakwazi ngisho ukukhuluma nami noma mhlambe ubone manje. And yini le kwenze ukuthi ubone? Yini le kwenza ukuthi uze ubone ukuthi amagezi are wrong? Because mina ngokwazi kwami ayikho indoda straight ezoxaka ukuthi thina as gay people khona into esiyenzile noma mhlawumbe uxakwa ukuthi what we make you feel as gay people, because I know I made you feel something. But Ngizwe, I know I made you feel something. You couldn't even speak. Wama wasukuma waphenduka ingane esecrash ungakwazi ngisho ukukhuluma. Ubuhle bami bokudida izinqa zami zikutatazelisa amathanga ami ekwenza uzibone uvithikile wahluleka ngisho ukukhuluma. So it was that day la wabona khona ukuthi amagezi are wrong. Cabanga ke ngalolo suku lolo kube lento wena othi asiyenze le ukuthi amagezi axoshwe ashawe kanjani njani. Should nawe ngabe washawa? Asenze ke ngathi wawungazi mhlawumbe ukuthi ukhuluma nomuntu wesilisa, asipretende ngathi wawungazi. Uyabona ukuthi ngamba washayela into engekho. Homophobia is so dumb because akekho umuntu ongabuxakwe indlela omunye umuntu aphila ngayo ibingeke izikwenzele lutho, because asithathi imali yenu asithathi lutho siyaziphilela nje. Kodwa ke mina bengicela ungisheshe ngiphendule ke bhodwa wami. Uphike futhi mawuthi uyaphika. Usheshe uphike bhodwa wami uthi uyaphika. Khona nababe khona F&B Slow Lounge nabasebenzi base F&B Slow Lounge bezofika bavume bathi hayi siyakhumbula impela ekwenza lokho Ngizwe tatazele ngathi tissue elenge bathroom yase rank. Yake
chitha ihlazo elenziwa zitabani. Itabani lezi njoba seningqongqoza nje, seningqongqoza kwansizwa, seningqongqoza kwaZulu, nithatha imvunulo yethu sesikhathele nina. Kade sinibuka nichachaza ngoba nanikezwa uhulumeni wenu uThabo Mbeki wathi amadoda wagana nodwa edakiwe uThabo Mbeki. Wathi amadoda awalala nodwa. Umgabe waphikisa lokho wathi I cannot allow in my country a man sleeping with another man and a woman sleeping with another woman. Even dogs, they don't.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. October ungubani na? Hi. Tiku loudspeaker ke manje tiya khala so siyathi ukuthi itolo beka trenda Ngizwe Mqhunu dragging titabane senkosi titabane dambela South Africa dlala ngemvunulo yemaZulu lendo ukuthi madoda alala neodwane njengoba simuva khuluma khulumile uNgizwe Mqhunu dragging uSomizi ukuthi Somizi akathathe bangani bakhe betitabane bavamuze la South Africa because bamosha live wake wavaphi nje kokuthi indoda ilala nalenye indoda baqedze lapho baqoke ngisho nemvunulo yemaZulu bahlaza live wakhuluma into letiningi waresponda ke uSomizi axoxa amasaka akhe sambona equkethwe kwamatakete LV athi yena vele soyahamba eSouth Africa ngemva kokuthi athi ungizwe Mchunu akavamuze kesana nebangani bakhe. Hawu namhla kuseni siyavuka nangu Dominic nevideo exposing Ngizwe Mchunu kesana njengoba semvile akhuluma amhlaza kuNgizwe Mchunu ukuthi hayibo Ngizwe Mchunu nguwe lo lokhuluma ngaleli hlobo ngetitabane wena wonke wena lo wathi ungibona watatatela wangathi nokuthi uthatheni uhlanganise nanoqhuqa ngathi inkukhu ithelwe ngemandi. Hayi October ngubani na uthi Dominic the reason why uzonda titabane ukuthi uyaqothi mabona titabane khona into livuka ngaphakathi kuwe. Uthi ngicela ungitshele Ngizwe Mchunu makuthi lokulonke ukukhuluma kokumanga. Tshela mina wena yenti video uphendula usho ukuthi hayibo ungisukelelana Dominic ngikutshele mina sibude nalabantu lebe bakhona ngalelo langa kuleyo ndzawo ngalelo langa into lenjalo yendeka. Uthi bophansi phezulu uloku busy utatatela ungade uhlanganise ini uthathe ini uhlanganise nani ulokuzama kuba seduze kwami. Uthi bowubona kahle phela ukuthi vele mina ngiyindoda njengoba ngisho nentshebe ngalelo langa bengaka ekhathi bengaka makeup ungibone kahle. Hey. Yes, abeka. Cha guys, kushubile. I'm just patiently waiting for a response yangizwe Mchunu because I know ukuthi utophendula. And titabantu hlezi tisho ke sanda ukuthi labantu laba tinyanya kakhulu nglabantu laba wathandzako omagay labantu who was smashing my gays secretly. But the public bafuna kwenda ngazuthi titabane batinyanya titabane tinemademoni titabane lento leti yenda ukuthi tilala nento yododwa ayise right that's evil kube ebusuku balala nabo bashadile but they are smashing titabane leti labafika public bende ngazuthi bayatizonda bayatinyanya. How wam expose ke uDominic athi thina sithi tabane asendi lutho asithathe lutho yena sindlele lutho yenu yini leli nizonda kangaka yini nibe homophobic ngalendlela. Hayi bongizwe uthini Dominic manje. I'm just patiently now waiting for a response yangizwe Mchunu. Ngifuna kuva ukuthi Ngizwe Mchunu uphendula phike athini kulendzaba lecetha kukhulunywa nguDominic lengaka sigaqa phela lesi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Sengihembe.